If you want to make money in the markets, you need to learn this setup. It is called the golden setup, and this screenshot was taken from a one-to-one trade like me training session earlier today. And we're going to break this down step by step. But first thing I need you to do is to smash that like. It's right there. It's free to do so, and it helps me create content for you because it tells me you like it. All right, so here we go. White line in the middle. This is the 55 SMA. We have two moving averages, the CCI and the Williams. All of the settings are found inside of Telegram, so you should probably go there. It's free. All right, so we have our cross of our moving averages, and then we have a super steep angle occur right after this tiny little spinning candlestick. Okay, and so that is not only an indication, but that's a confirmation. Okay, this candle goes right through not only the 55, not only the 5 EMA, but also the 10 SMA. So it goes through all three of our moving averages, and it has a massive pull down, and it breaks the support. Okay, take a look at the CCI. We have a pull down of the CCI, and at the same time we have a pull down of the Williams. Right after that, we have the Williams come up, and at the same time we have the CCI continue down. That is the golden setup. It is CCI down, Williams up. Okay, so you could have entered a trade on this candle, the pull down. I called it the long ass wick, and the one right after it. And you could have also taken a trade on this third candle, but then you would have lost on this fourth one. Plus, that's not a setup. When you have the CCI up and the Williams down, you don't want to take a trade. That is a reversal. So again, step number one, we are in a downtrend. Step number two, we are below the 55. Step number three, we have our cross of our moving averages. Number four, we have the angle of the moving averages. I call it a kink. I don't know what number we're on, maybe 5. We have our break of our support, and then number 6, we have CCI down and Williams up. This is the golden setup. You can learn it right inside of Telegram. This is going to make you money all day, every day. And you should check out the video I posted earlier that explains how to know when a trend is actually over using one trend line and one horizontal line. Go make money, smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you inside of Telegram.